Hello guys. Today I will show you scrubs how to properly eat a chocolate. So, you may think the correct way of eating a chocolate is like this. But, you are deeply mistaken. You dunce. Now that we got that out the way, here is the correct way to eat a chocolate. First, take the chocolate. Then, take out the chocolate. Place the chocolate in the oven for 69 minutes and set the temperature to 69 degrees Celsius. Place the chocolate in enchanted Minecraft potions and add a cup of holy water. Then, let it set for 420 minutes. Now you can sit back and enjoy the taste of your chocolate. I hope this guide has helped you as much as it helped me. Tune in next time for more epic life hacks and don't forget, subscribe.